In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit checkout page on WooCommerce 2026. We'll walk through using the WordPress site editor to customize your WooCommerce checkout page safely and efficiently. This approach is ideal for quick visual edits without touching code, and it works best if your theme supports the block-based site editor. If you don't see the editor option later, your theme may not support it, and you might need to switch to a block theme before proceeding. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Appearance. Hover your mouse over it, then select Editor. Give it a moment to load. The site editor can take a few seconds, especially on larger sites or slower hosting. Once the editor opens, look to the left panel and click Pages. A drawer will slide out showing your site's pages. Find the checkout page. If you have many pages, you can scroll or use the search field to locate it quickly. Hover your mouse over checkout and click the edit button that appears. Wait for the editor to load the layout, and if the preview isn't already on the checkout layout, switch the preview to the checkout page so you're seeing exactly what customers will. Now you can start customizing. To edit text, click directly on the element you want to change and type your new content right in place. Keep labels and instructions clear and concise to reduce friction at checkout. If there's an element you don't want visible, select it. Click the More Options icon, the 3 dots, and choose Hide from the dropdown. Hiding is great for removing optional notes or redundant headings without deleting the block entirely, so you can bring it back later if needed. To add new elements, look for the plus icons around the layout. Clicking a plus will show you the blocks you can insert in that area. Use this to add helpful items like a short trust message, a compact logo, or a brief notice about shipping and returns. Keep additions minimal so you don't overwhelm the customer or push important fields too far down the page. You can also rearrange elements. Hover near the edge of a block until your cursor changes to a hand, then drag and drop the block where you want it. Watch for the blue placement line to ensure the block lands in the right container. If something doesn't look right, use undo or redo at the top. When you're satisfied, click Save in the top right corner. Confirm any prompts, then preview the live checkout to make sure everything displays correctly. If you use caching, clear it and test in an incognito window to simulate a fresh customer experience. That's it. With these edits saved, your WooCommerce checkout is updated and ready to convert more customers.